Good morning. Sorry. Good morning, guys. Welcome back to another video. Welcome if you are new. Hey, I am Shake. I do vlogs, lifestyle, beauty videos. So, guys, it's not officially yet, but this vlog is officially my first Vlogmas video.
Just Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer had a very shiny nose, and if you ever saw it, you would even say it.
So happy Vlogmas, guys, and welcome to Vlogmas 2023. Yes, guys, December is tomorrow. December starts tomorrow, so you know we have to get excited because Vlogmas will start. So yeah, I decided to start today because I have some stuff that I plan to do for this vlog. So a little December reset, as you will see from the title. So it's a December reset, you know, setting my goals and all of that, but it's in a like a vlog style, hopefully. So yes, let's start off. But before we start that part of the vlog, I just want to say, hi, hey, what's up? I'm excited. I have been away for like about a week or two, I think. So it's been a while. So yes, hope you guys are okay. If you have not yet subscribed, guys, subscribe. It's gonna be good times over here for the Vlogmas season. So I wanted also to tell you guys about what I'll be doing for Vlogmas. So what I'm planning to do for Vlogmas, I'm not gonna be doing like posting every day when it comes on to long videos. So what I plan to do is I normally try to do at least 2 videos per week for regular. So for Vlogmas I was thinking 3 to 4, mostly 3. When it comes on to like the nicer parts of the season, down furthermore near to Christmas, probably have 4 videos per week, But here's the difference for this year. I'm going to be attempting to do a YouTube shorts every day, and I think that's a little bit easier because it's shorter and easier to edit. Now what happened is that previous years I have noticed that it's when it comes on to Vlogmas, my editing game is not strong. It's like I don't have time to sit down and edit, and then the vlogs just seem repetitive, them not nice, and I don't get the views, I don't get the support. So you know what, this year I decided to do something different. Instead of trying to go all out and drain up myself, I'm going to do what I feel is best for me. So what I feel is best for me is by doing the 3 to 4 videos per week. So yeah, this is going to be like the first video, me planning and setting up, for the Vlogmas. So hope you guys enjoy this vlog. Enjoy. Love y'all. Subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. Guys, I am so jealous of this girl in her bed.
It's the last day of November.
That is why I'm starting the Vlogmas vlog. Say hi to Vlogmas Day 1.
Hi.
Get up.
Vlogmas Day 1 yet.
May I start today? Get up.
You cheating on Vlogmas.
No, I told them how I'm doing my Vlogmas, Yeah. So for the month of December, I have some goals that I want to achieve. So this afternoon, I just got back home from work, and I'll be sharing with you guys the goals. I only have 4 actually for this month, because you don't want it to be unrealistic, so that when the month is finished, you actually feel like you have done nothing. So I try to make 4 realistic goals. So far I think I need 1 more, but for now it's just 4. Well, I have my goals in my little book right here. So the first goal I want to do is to achieve 2,000 subscribers. Currently I have 1,737 subscribers, so I have quite a few to go. So if you have not yet subscribed and you're watching this video, consider subscribing. Yeah, subscribe. All right, so I want to gain 2,000 subscribers by the end of December. The next goal I have is to get 4,000 watch hours. Guys, it has been years in the making, so I would love to get my 4,000 watch hours. So if you would do me the honors of watching my entire videos, you know, even the video them like for last year, from year before. Go through, watch my videos, like, you know, comment, share to your friends and families. So I would like to get the 4,000 watch hours so I can get monetized on YouTube. Not when I start to vlog. You people outside decide someone want to come on bike. Shush. Anyways, so my next goal is that I want to gain 30,000 views through YouTube Shorts. So far I'm at 2,000, right? So I would like to get to 30,000. So what I'm planning to do is to do one video per day for the month of December. So hopefully these videos will gain some views so I can get my 30,000 views for my watch hours. All right, so the next goal is kind of, it's not YouTube related. So I want to get healthy and lose a little weight. So I think last year I did gain all the weights, or gain back all the weight that I had taken off during my little exercise session that I had not last year, the year before that. Yeah, all of that weight gone back on, plus tax. I want to get off some of this weight. I want to get a little bit more healthy. So yes, I'm going on that journey to go back to where I was. I did feel like I could have moved. I move like lazy and slouchy. Right? No, I don't like that for me. I don't like that for me on top. So the next part of my video is going to be me telling you guys some habits I would like to start for December. So habits I want to, you know, begin and continue for the new year. I want to start it off now so I end the year with good habits. So my first habit is to read more physical books. Now I read a lot of books online, and pretty much all the books I read online are romance novels. So I want to take on more physical books. So sometimes I will give my eyes, you know, rest from the screen. Plus I want to do like more inspirational books. So I have 2 books in mind right now. I already have 2 books here. I've had these books in my house from when and I have never read them. So I'm going to take on these 2 books for the December season. So the first book I'm going to take on is this book. It's called The Nancy Drew Mystery Stories, The Ringmaster's Secret by Caroline Keene. So this is what it is. It is a mystery book, so I know I'm gonna like this book. I've seen this book. It's not mine. I think it was my cousin's book, so it has been in my house for quite some time, and I have never read it. And I love mystery books. I love romance books, so I'm gonna try reading this for the December. So the next book I have is this book here. I got this for my birthday some years ago. Yeah. So it is Powered Up, leveraging 6 pillars to live out loud. In the absence of our physical strength, the power of our character and an attitude of gratitude can lift us to unimaginable heights. So I want to actually, you know, read this book, see what it's all about. I don't know what it's all about, I know, you know. So I will do like a book review or something when it's time, but it's quite a lot because it's a thick book, you know. So I think I will not finish this. I don't know if I'll finish this in December, but I'm hoping to. So yeah, just these 2 books I'm going to start off with, and then hopefully next year I have another book like this, but it's kind of thinner, that I'm going to be reading. One of them is something about some love language, something. So I say I wanted an empowering book instead of like something romantic, so that's why I chose these 2. All right, next habit I want to do is journaling. And I tell you guys, I have a lot of these books because people know that I love to write, so they always give me these books. But guess what, the prettiest ones, sometimes when I get them, especially you know, if we get one bunch of them, I put away the prettier ones. So yes, I have this one that I started my journaling in before I got some of these. So this, I started doing some journals in. As you can see, it actually says journal, and I want to continue journaling in it. I did not do a lot of stuff, never shown how far me reach. Like, this is all me do. This was all I have done, and I started writing in this in May 2022. Wanna say that bad? That's not nice. Yeah. I like that. So, and the last one was actually May 2023, which is so weird. Okay, so we're going to continue in this book and see if I can finish journaling for the. I'm gonna try and journal every day until December. So I'm gonna make that a habit. So every day in Vlogmas, you know, when I video things, I realize that I actually do it, because it's like I'm saying, all right, I'm gonna be held responsible if I don't do it. So I will do it if I say I'm going to do it in a vlog. So I will read and I'm going to journal. I'll journal some things outside the book, who knows, you know, whatever is going on in my day. So the next thing is gonna go with my goal that I had. My fourth goal is to exercise regularly. So I want to get fit and, you know, get into losing some weight. So, you know, I have to exercise. So I'm going to exercise a little more, you know, regular. So next thing I have is to do skincare. I need to get in the habit of skincare because I really have been slacking. Like some nights I would say, all right, you know, let me come and do this to my face and do that. Guys, I have well, for the most part I have the stuff, but I don't do it. Me not do it. And I need to, like, I really need to. So I told myself I'm going to make a deliberate effort starting tomorrow to try with my skincare and all of that. All right, so the next thing, guys, is the next thing I have been neglecting a lot, and it is hair care. Listen, my hair has been due relaxing from about November, this first week of November or the second week of November. I think it's the first week of November. Honestly, my head. And it's not only the fact that it's due relaxing, I don't moisturize it as often as I'm supposed to. I don't treat it. I don't do no deep condition. So I think I need to get into that groove of doing it. But the thing is, when it comes on to hair combing, I don't like to do that anymore because it hurts my head. Even though, like, I had to take out the puff that I had on because my head hurt me. I keep it on for the entire day, my head hurt me. As I put it on, my head hurt me. I can't catch up the ear for too long. So I need to, like, get into the groove of my hair care because my hair has been breaking and I don't like that for me. So that needs to fix. Now the next thing I have, the last thing, is to memorize a Bible verse every week. Now at the beginning of the week in my journal, I'm going to be like choosing a Bible verse from probably my Bible app or something and try and see every day. I'm going to go back and read my Bible verse of the week, you know, and try to memorize it. So by the end of the week, I'm supposed to know a Bible verse. So by the end of the month, we know like what, 5? How much weeks? 5? Yeah, 5 Bible verse or 4 Bible verse. 4 to 5 weeks in a month. 4 to 5, yeah. All right, yeah. And if it's like a one where me probably know half of it already, I can choose like 2 for the week. Who knows? Or me probably learn it in a half of the week. Learn the next one. Because it's a way for me to get to know the Bible more and all of that. So yes, that's some of the habits that I want to take on for the month of December. Alright guys, so right now I'm going to be setting up my phone for the Christmas. Hope you guys are seeing me. I'm gonna be setting up my iPhone for the Christmas season. So I'm going to screen record so you guys can see, like, on the side of the screen, like what I'm doing and stuff. Alright, so pretty much I have a folder in my Pinterest. I could share it with you guys if you guys want. If you guys do, just comment it down below and I will share my Christmas wallpaper folder on Pinterest. Yeah. Just let me know down below. I feel like I'm out of focus for some reason. Yeah. Alright, so I've got quite a few options. I don't know what I'm gonna do yet. I'm feeling this one for, what do you call it, for like the home screen. So let's download that one. I think I need to add some more though. Let's see what other options I got. Ooh, making a list, checking it. I like this one. I'm gonna add this one to it as well. I love this one. It is cute. I'm not gonna lie, it's kind of cute, Add it as well. I want one that says hello December. I'm not seeing any of that, you know, before the Christmas, because I'm gonna be changing this before, like after school holiday and something. I'm going to be doing that. So I like this one. This one is giving me a vibe, you know. It's giving a vibe. It's giving the vibe. It's giving the vibe. All right. Ooh, this is so cute. It is so cute. All right, this is hello December. Hello December, you're the best last. No, you're the last one, so be the best one. Oh, I like that. I like that. I like that. But yes, I should be adding these in case you guys like it and want it. So yeah. Like out here is not as bright as I thought it would be. I thought coming out here would give me a vibe, but it's not bright. It's not bright at all. I am back inside. Hopefully you guys are seeing me properly now. I don't know, outside wasn't giving me the vibe I wanted. The rest of this offline, and then I'm gonna come back and show you guys what it looks like. So see you guys soon. Hey, hi guys. So I just wanted to, you know, hop on and show you guys like what the phone looks like. I'm gonna be inserting it right here so you guys can see what my phone looks like for the first section of December. Yeah, so I decided to stick with that wallpaper there. It was so cute. And then I'm going to be showing like what the screen looks like and what the WhatsApp looks like as well. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you for watching it to the end. If you have made it to the end, you know, if you have made it to the end, you know, comment a phone emoji if you have made it to the end. You know, I want to see my real people out here. Yeah. And if you have, thank you guys so much. Thank you from the bottom of my heart for watching my entire video, for sticking with me. I really appreciate it, you know. So yes, thank you so much. If you have not yet subscribed, you know, go ahead, subscribe. And remember, it is not an everyday uploading for this Vlogmas. I'm going to be doing, so what, 3 days per week. So the next vlog or the next video you guys will see will be, I think Sunday. Yeah, Sunday, Monday, Sunday. On Sunday you guys will see the next video. So yes, thank you guys again, and I hope you guys will have a wonderful day. Bye.